Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find duplicates in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. So right here we have Photos. Firstly, what I recommended to do is to click the three dots at the right top and then stack similar photos. Now you can see the duplicates. Right here we have two copies. There's 2, 2, 6, and then you can enter here and you can check this photo. You can remove some of them. Let's say I want to remove this current photo. And now we have a stack with the 5 photos here. So if you want to, you can delete them, you can unstack them and then select it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.